So I'm going to show you how to change the screen refresh rate on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then go to display and brightness, tap on that, and then scroll down to screen refresh rate and tap on that, you can actually see that it's currently set to auto select, which basically means it automatically uses the optimal refresh rate for your device to bring you a continuous, smooth experience and conserve battery power. So you can select it. You can select standard, which basically caps the refresh rate at 60 Hertz. Obviously, that helps to conserve your battery. But if you want the high refresh rate all the time, you can just enable that, and it's going to use a refresh rate of up to 165 Hertz. Keep in mind that this is a variable refresh rate. It's not going to stay pinned at 165. It's going to oscillate between 1 Hertz and up to 165 Hertz, depending on what you're doing on your phone. Okay. Now you can also set app specific refresh rate. So you can go to specific apps. So for instance, you can go to an app like Asphalt and set the 120 Hertz refresh rate. And then you can go to an app like the calculator, which you know does not need 120 Hertz refresh rate, and set it to 60 Hertz refresh rate. And you can go setting specific refresh rates for specific apps on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.